Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to HSA Jampur. In today's video, we bring you the most important and 100% valid Biology Guest Paper 2025 for 10th class. This guest paper covers all short and long questions chapter-wise, ensuring you prepare efficiently for your exams. Make sure to watch till the end and take notes. Important short questions, chapter-wise. Unit 1. Gaseous exchange. 1. Stomata and lenticels. 2. Functions of the nasal cavity. 3. Functions of mucus. 4. Difference between respiration and breathing. 5. What is the diaphragm? 6. Trachea. 7. Symptoms of pneumonia and asthma. 8. Acute and chronic bronchitis. 9. Effects of smoking. 10. Voice box/bronchus. Unit 2, Homeostasis. 1. Homeostasis and example. 2. Difference between osmoregulation and thermoregulation. 3. Pressure filtration. 4. Tubular secretion. 5. Glomerulus filtrate. 6. Lithotripsy. 7. Renal cortex and renal medulla. 8. Kidney transplant. 9. Dialysis. 10. Kidney stone and its symptoms. Unit 3, Coordination and Control. 1. Coordination and names of its types. 2. Ganglions. 3. Spinal cord and its functions. 4. Components of coordination. 5. Difference between stimulus and receptor. 6. Difference between a reflex action and reflex arc. 7. Somatic and autonomic nervous system. 8. Myopia and hypermetropia. 9. Define hormone and endocrine system. 10. Pituitary gland and its functions. Unit 4, Support and movement. 1. Skeleton and endoskeleton. 2. Difference between flexor and extensor. 3. Osteocytes. 4. Number of bones in the axial and appendicular skeleton. 5. Types of joints. 6. Difference between tendons and ligaments. 7. What is bone? Difference between compact and spongy bone. 8. Osteoporosis. Unit 5, Reproduction. 1. Reproduction and its types. 2. Fragmentation. 3. Multiple fission. 4. Parthenocarpy. 5. Benefits and disadvantages of vegetative propagation. 6. Endospores. 7. Pollination, self-pollination, and cross-pollination. 8. Alternation of generations. Unit 6, Genetics and Evolution. 1. What is a trait? 2. Define heredity with example. 3. Codominance and incomplete dominance. 5. Difference between genotype and phenotype. 6. Difference between dominant and recessive allele. 7. Difference between gene and allele. 8. Artificial and natural selection. 9. Difference between homozygous and heterozygous allele. 10. Difference between translation and transcription. Unit 7, Ecology. 1. Define ecology and community. 2. Define ecosystem. 3. Define mutualism with an example. 4. What is acid rain and give its effects? 5. Predation with examples. 6. Difference between food chain and food web. 7. Difference between ecto and endoparasites. 8. Difference between nitrification and denitrification. 9. What is symbiosis? Unit 8, Biotechnology. 1. What is biotechnology? 2. Single-cell protein. 3. What is a fermenter and give its advantages? 4. Purposes of genetic engineering. 5. What is recombinant DNA? 6. Define fermentation. 7. Alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. Unit 9, Pharmacology. 1. Define pharmacology and give its relation to pharmacy. 2. Vaccine and vaccination. 3. Narcotics. 4. Hallucinogens. 5. sedative and its harms. 6. Difference between analgesics and antibiotics. Important long questions, chapter-wise. Chapter 11, the osmoregulatory function of the kidney. Chapter 11, structure and function of nephron, internal kidney, with diagram. Chapter 11, dialysis and its types. Chapter 11, osmoregulation adaptations in plants. Chapter 11, difference between xerophytes and halophytes. Chapter 11, difference between hydrophytes and xerophytes. Chapter 12, write a note on the neuron with a diagram. Chapter 12, structure of the human eye. Chapter 12, write a note on the forebrain. Chapter 12, functions of lobes of the cerebrum. Chapter 12, explain reflex arc and reflex action. Chapter 13, cartilage and its types. Chapter 13, type of joints. Chapter 13, arthritis and its types. Chapter 14, advantages and disadvantages of vegetative propagation. Chapter 14, write a note on the reproductive system of a female rabbit. Chapter 14, conditions for germination of seed. Chapter 14, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Chapter 16, nitrogen cycle. Chapter 16, biotic elements of the ecosystem. Chapter 16, ecological pyramids and their types. Chapter 16, carbon cycle. Chapter 17, purposes and aims of genetic engineering. Chapter 17, steps of genetic engineering. Chapter 17, uses and importance of biotechnology. Chapter 17, fermenters and their advantages. Chapter 18, sources of drugs. Chapter 18, drug addiction and its impacts. So, students, this was the most important 10th class biology guest paper 2025. We hope this video helps you in preparing for your board exams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HSA Jampur for more study-related content. Best of luck with your exams. Follow us for more updates.